So, positive change for us as individuals isn't just about thriving mentally, physically, and financially. It's also about helping all parts of our lives thrive through sustainable and healthy practices that will nurture our environment and heal us from the outside in. And this is why bringing awareness of sustainable and all natural products has become a part of this docuseries on positive change. We personally thrive when we understand healthy practices for ourselves and the environment that we are a part of. So stay tuned because I'm going to be bringing you more awareness of healthy, all natural products that are out there that we can easily replace our old habits that are hurting us in a financially sustainable way. So the more aware we are of these products, the more likely we are to go out and to seek them and to improve our environment that affects our bodies. So I will be bringing you this, and this is also a great way for you to decide, how can I take this product and adjust it a sustainable, all-natural way? What might other consumers be looking for that this product does not provide? What can I do to make my own business and add a sustainable twist to give consumers more options, which will drive down prices? It will provide a way for sustainable, all-natural goods to increase in selection. It will increase the possibilities for new sustainable businesses that you could be opening, that you could be pursuing, as well as decrease the cost of those goods because of the increase of availability and awareness. Okay, it's the end of the week, and so I'm about to do laundry, and I wanted to show you this amazing new detergent I found that is way better than any other detergent that I've found anywhere else. So this is a sheet detergent. One sheet does an entire full load. This particular brand is Earth Breeze. And when I bought this package about a year ago, they were manufactured in China. And when I canceled my subscription, they asked why I was canceling my subscription. And I told them I was really trying to avoid things made in China due to my personal trust issues with them. And that actually was also due to a documentary about products made in China. So anyway, I wrote to them and I said, it's because it's made in China. And they wrote back about 3 months later and said, we've listened to you. It must not have just been me. We are now making our product in America. So there are other brands like Earth Breeze that make theirs in like Australia or Canada. But I'm about to do this in laundry. I want to tell you, the rest of my family's not quite converted yet. Many of them still use liquid detergent, and it's filled with chemicals, and the majority of it's just water. So you're paying for water with chemicals. And Earth Breeze and other natural sheets like them don't have any chemicals. They're all made from natural ingredients, obviously without the water. So I can carry that anywhere. As you probably know already, the last 2 years I've been traveling a lot, and I just took the packet with me, put it right in my luggage. It was easy to take with me traveling all over the world, and they're HE safe. So if you have any questions about that, I'm sure you can Google it. There are lots of different brands. You can compare them. This one is scented. I actually prefer non-scented. A lot of people, that's their main concern actually, is how is it going to smell? It's not going to smell like your detergent you choose, but if you would rather smell like a certain scent than not have chemicals seeping into your body, then that's for you to decide. This is just another option, and it works just as well as far as cleaning clothes compared to the traditional ways of doing laundry. I just wanted to share that with you because I felt it's very important to take care of our body as well as our mind in the process of finding fulfillment and thriving. We need to be able to be treating our bodies the same way we want our minds to be treated. I also wanted to mention that cost-wise, it's about the same cost as buying one of those big jugs of liquid detergents. So, I mean, you're spending the same amount of money, approximately, maybe a tiny bit more depending on the brand that you get. If you're appreciating this and it's meaningful to you, I encourage you to subscribe and to share this channel with other like-minded individuals. Also, I wanted to make you aware that there is a GoFundMe currently running to help this series become a professionally documented series on a platform such as Netflix. 2 reasons why this is important. 1, this series could become something that is shot by professional production teams and take it to the whole new level of who we have access to and what we can bring to you for awareness. The second thing is, if we can meet that goal, it will be a blaring sign to production companies. This is something that viewers find meaningful. So if this is something that you advocate, please consider just donating $10. If they see that we made it to our goal and it literally took 100,000 people to get there, it's even more telling that this is more beneficial and meaningful to the people who need the most. So please consider sharing the GoFundMe that's in the description, and I hope this turns into something huge. You have a wonderful day. I look forward to bringing you more content and more awareness for how you can become a thriving member of your community. Have a great day.